How to avoid confusing sector area and arc length formulas. Imagine you're slicing a round pizza. You see the curved crust and the slice's surface. Now, think about what each measurement tells you. Are you measuring the crust or the slice's surface? This is where confusion often happens with sector area and arc length formulas. Let's clear that up. First, understand what each one measures. The arc length is the length of the curved edge of the slice. It's like measuring the crust of your pizza. The sector area, on the other hand, is the space inside that slice. It's the surface area of the pizza piece. Knowing this difference is the first step. Next, look at the formulas. The arc length formula is S is equal to plus frac plus theta 360 plus circ plus times to plus pi r. Here, plus theta is the central angle in degrees and r is the radius of the circle. This formula finds the length of the curved edge. The sector area formula is O is equal to plus frac plus theta 360 plus circ plus times plus pi r2. This calculates the area of the slice, which is a part of the whole circle's surface. Notice how both formulas involve the central angle divided by 360 degrees, but one multiplies by the full circle's circumference and the other by the circle's area. If you know the arc length and the radius but not the angle, you can find the sector area with a different formula. O is equal to plus frac 1 2 plus times r plus times s. Think of it as a triangle with the base as the arc length and the height as the radius. This helps when you have the curved length but want the surface area. To avoid mixing them up, always check what information you have. If you have the angle and radius, use the formulas with plus theta. If you have the arc length and radius, use the half radius times arc length formula for the area. Remember, the arc length is a linear measurement along the edge, while the sector area is a two-dimensional space inside the slice. Visualize the slice as a piece of pizza. The crust length is the arc length. The surface of the slice is the sector area. When solving problems, think about whether you need the length of the crust or the surface area of the slice. This mental picture helps keep the formulas straight. In summary, focus on what each formula measures and what you are given. If you know the angle, use the formulas involving plus theta. If you know the arc length and radius, use the alternative formula for the area. By keeping these points clear, you can confidently choose the right formula and avoid mixing up sector area and arc length.